Hey guys, welcome back to the Tovia channel, where everything is good. Here on this channel you will find content related to beauty, hair, and stories from a Jamaican girl navigating her way through life. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you some easy ways to style your headband wig so it doesn't look like you just grabbed it, dragged it on, and headed out for work, which I do most times. I cannot praise this hair any longer. I know it took a while getting used to because my head is big and it was a little tight at first, but now that my head is so used to the headband wig, I really enjoy it because it's a really quick grab and go. Before I get into the styles, however, I do want to remind you guys to make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and make sure to leave a comment down below.
Check me out. Any suggestions you want me to try, anything else you want me to check on, like different type of hair, let me know in the comments down below.
So just an update on this hair for those who are not familiar with it. It is a 18-inch Waterwave Headband Wig, and the color is I think jet black, number 1. I did a video on it where I showed how I install it and so forth, so I'm not gonna get into that today. I do want to share a little update about the hair and what I've noticed while caring for it. So after my first wash of the hair, I realized that it had a lot of dyes in it. The water was dark, so I had to rinse it with conditioner about 2 to 3 times, and then the water was clear and all of that good stuff. Then maintaining the hair, I do normally use water each day. Why I do that is because at the start of the week I may add a concoction of leave-in conditioner and oil and water, and I spray that on the hair. Then I give it a nice coat of mousse, not a very firm holding mousse, but a mousse that can at least keep the hair in its curl form as much as possible, because I don't like when the hair gets frizzy during the day, because especially when it gets hot and I have all that hair, it's just like too much. Okay, so I do add mousse to the hair. Then throughout the week I'll just spray water to it to add moisture to the hair, and to just revive the product that's already in it, so I don't waste my time adding product every day. So that's my little update, my little lessons learned while caring for the hair. I really love it. I'm able to show my natural hairline. I'm able to do baby hairs if I want to. I didn't really do as much now, but I can do baby hairs. And another thing about the curls is that it's much larger than the deep wave, and I really wanted this style because of its loose appearance. This is this is just pure water I'm adding to the hair. It's a little bit harder to manage when it's frizzy. Oh guys, and no shedding. Like curly hair comes with a little shedding, so yeah, a little, but it's not like major. And you guys see how I'm pulling the hair, right? Yeah, so no major shedding at all. So this is the most basic hairstyle: headband, a styled headband, and then having the hair drenched in water, slick back and nice with the curls flowing and just looking beautiful, right? Now to spice that up, I use a white tooth comb. I'm gonna take what I would consider a side part. I'm gonna take a side part right here, and then I am going to bring that to the other side. So the tricky part with this is that because the headband wig doesn't have necessarily a lace. I have to do mind how I part on it. I'm just making sure that I weave my way through the hair so that I'm not showing any tracks. This is a really super easy style, but it's just much different than the regular draw on brush back, you know, feel my vibe. So this is style number 2. So now I'm gonna go ahead and separate at least half, just a little bit from the crown of the head. I think at this side looks better than this side. Let me see if I can take up some more. So as I said, weave your fingers through the hair, take up some from one side, take up some from another side, so that you're not necessarily turning the tracks all on its own. I don't want the tracks to show at all, so I have to be mindful of that. Now this is the half up and half down style. I'm going in with a regular spongy, no elastic bands, because I don't want to tear out my lovely hair. Ooh, this is much harder than it looks. Yes, honey. So this is the half up, half down style number 3. And then this style can also go into wrapping it if you do choose. I don't like this one as much. I don't like this style as much, but it's a possibility. Let me know what you guys think. I don't like this one. I'm gonna go into another style that I saw that I think is very versatile, and I didn't know that my wig could even do a style like that. So I'm gonna pull the hair a little bit closer to my hairline. Okay, let me do it on the other side. Let's see what happens. Ooh, she's so pretty. I got a big forehead. What type of forehead is? Yes. There we go. Thumbnail. So guys, this is style number 4. Headband and a swoop. Yes, it's cute. It's cute. We can work with this one. Next style now, it's all up in one. I've never tried this on my hair, and I can even wear it like this, you know, like I can just put some pins and stick them here so that the hair kind of stays in my face. I don't like hair in my face because that causes acne, so I wouldn't wear my hair like that really. Ooh. Oh my god, this is a lot. It's low hair, but not a lot of hair, if you understand what I'm saying. It's a lot of head, really. Okay guys, that's the all up in one. The curly hair is giving me a hard time because, you know, it's not gonna try to straighten. so that I can put it in one. It's not that type of hair. And then the tracks are set one way. So how much out of 10 would I give it one? I would give it one a solid -2. I don't know, this top bun not giving, it's not giving it. Okay, so this is style number 5. I would call this one a one puff ponytail. No, this is not ponytail, this is a one puff. This is style number 5 and this is the final style. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video as I struggled to get this hair in these varied styles so it doesn't feel like just one singular head. Trying to give this hair some sort of character, it's very difficult because it's really meant to just be lazy hairstyle that it is. But regardless, you can always change it up and you guys can check out the styles that I just showed you and try them. Let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed them. Give this video a thumbs up. Check me out on YouTube. Until the next video. Bye.